Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, Ferraris in Flight. We're back here today with another car seat review. We upgraded our car seat when Phoebe turned 7 months or so, and we got the Nuna Revv rotating convertible car seat. If you guys are interested in a review and why we upgraded from the infant car seat to the convertible car seat so early, stay tuned. Hey guys, so now we're going to do the car seat install. This was one of the main reasons we purchased the car seat. Super easy to do, and then we'll show you how easy it is to go from rear facing to front facing. So for this install, we're going to be using the regular seat belts. Our vehicle does have the latch points, but for our installation, we're going to go ahead and use the seat belt. It's nice because it has this section that helps keep the slack down. So you'll run the seat belt, close this, it'll tighten the slack and give you a really secure fit. If you do prefer to use the latch points, it does have an included lap belt somewhere baked in there. We haven't tried that installation, but it is an option. So for our installation, we'll be using the regular seat belts, but there is an optional latch belt available. So on the back of the car seat base, there's this belt here, and it acts as a lap belt, but on both ends you'll have the latch attachment points, and you can attach that to the vehicle this way. Actual step one of installing the car seat is running the tether strap to the back of the seat. So this is the tether strap. We've ran it over the seat and under the headrest. This will come down, and there's these attachment points on the back. It's like a metal bar. Those will click in and just pull the slack tight. And then here, we're going to open this door and run the lap belt. We're using the regular lap belt. We're going to run the seat belt in this way. Click. So just like you're putting on a seat belt like normal, we're going to pull this tight. So that's as tight as it can go, hand tighten. And then the reason I love the car seat base is it has this to pinch the slack. So here you'll see the base, there's a little bit of play, some movement. This is actually going to tighten that excess slack and give you a really tight, secure base. So the easiest way to show you guys why we love this car seat and why we're so happy that we upgraded is how easy it is to rotate. So it's super simple. Right now it's in rear facing mode. Phoebe's going to be using this car seat in rear facing until she's 2 or even 3. There's a button here on each side that you can engage. And so one thing that's really nice, you rotate so you have access to the car seat, but there's these magnets on each side to hold the belt open. Really nice and easy. So we're gonna put Phoebe in, put in her baby, ready to go, and like this. Hi, say hi baby, can you say hi? And now getting her in and out of the car seat, so easy. You tighten the straps, rotate, let's go. Say bye Phoebe, say bye. So one more feature we love, it's super easy to adjust the incline. So if she's taking a nap, we can kind of change the incline so she's laying back more, or if she's awake, sitting up more. So here you'll see the levels. There's a lever right here in the middle. You could do this. So this is her in the most lean back position, rear facing. She could take a nap when she's awake. The other way, and she's upright.
Good job, model.
Another thing we liked about the Nuna Revv was the size. So the footprint isn't going to be as big as some of the other convertible car seats. For context, we have a Tesla Model Y. It's a crossover / midsize SUV. Here you'll see it in rear facing mode, and the front passenger seats adjusted to have a full height adult sit there, so plenty of space for the front passenger. With the tilt adjustments, you're able to see a lot of clearance, a lot of space. And yeah, what's nice is it is a bit narrow, the base, meaning with the size of the back seat, the middle seat is totally usable when we have 5 passengers in the car. So that was another plus for the car seat, and yeah, we love it. When Phoebe is older, 2 years and up, we'll have her sit front facing, and it's so easy. We won't have to do any adjustments with the install. Literally just rotate. The tilt adjustment works the same way when front facing. So lever in the middle, push and slide there. Hey guys, so I wanted to talk about some quick specs on the car seat. So the car seat is rated from 5 pounds to 40 pounds. That means the car seat will be good from newborn, assuming baby's 5 pounds of birth, through 40 pounds. So yeah, you should get some good use out of the car seat. It is quite the investment at $650, but man, it is easy to get baby in and out. I did want to talk about the reason we upgraded Phoebe at 6 months, or 5 or 6 months. One, it was Black Friday. We caught a deal on the car seat. I think we saved $100 or something like that. So that was one reason we got it. And then we had an upcoming road trip planned. We had a baby shower that was 12 hours away to go to. Mary wanted to fly, but I love road trips. The one downside of upgrading early is that most parents are going to get the infant car seat. We got the Nuna, and that thing was $500, and we used it just for a few months, you know, well, up until like 5 months or so. And you know, $500, that's $100 a month, you know, to use the car seat. But we are going to have another baby, we think, sometime soon in the future. So hopefully we get more use out of the car seat again. But yeah, you know, the other option is, should you get the convertible car seat to carry baby from birth to 40 pounds? That is an option that I do see some parents doing, but there was something nice about the infant car seat when they're young and little and light still, because going from car to inside, you could just pick up the car seat, go in. One thing you'll notice, I think, as parents, is that when the baby gets heavier, carrying the car seat, you know, it's like, say they're 25 pounds, carrying the infant car seat is not as easy as it was when they were, you know, 10 pounds. And yeah, you'll find it's easier at times to just pick up baby, carry them, and take them in the house or wherever you're going. So I think that is one reason to potentially go the convertible route, or upgrade to the convertible early. So yeah, I hope the feedback was valuable and you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.